Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I'll show you how to remove the background of any image with just one click in Android smartphone or tablet. So, without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So, firstly, what you need to do is just open the Play Store. And in the Play Store, just search for one application named as background remover-remove.bg. And on the first list you will see the application. Just tap on it, tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. Now you can see here one option, upload image. Just tap on it. Now just allow the permission, click on allow. Now select your respective image from where you want to remove the background. So wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see the background has been automatically removed. So you can see here below download option and download HD option. So here for the pre version you can download the normal standard version, and if you want to download the HD version you need to subscribe the premium plans. So here I'm gonna download the free version. So finally it's being saved, so let us check. So finally you can see the background has been removed. So by using this application named as background remover remove.bg, you can easily remove the background of any image with just one click in Android smartphone or tablet very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.